Yo, yeah, my nigga, we lit. My nigga, we lit. My nigga, we lit. My nigga, we lit. Fuck all that shit you be talking. 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 I'm in that bitch with the 30 on. You know we rich, I'm just throwing bands. Me, I just be cooling out. I let the money dance. I got that 40 up in my pants. I told you shorty to watch her hands. I took that bitch to the Waffle House. If her feet ugly, I kick her out. I came a long way from back in Grants. Now I got all types of different fans. Riding around in them foreign shits. If I go broke, I'm extorting shit. I only talk about important shit. Loyalty, niggas don't know about it. I used to hang at the dope houses. I used to give all the smoke. I was throwing that 4 pound, I'm smoking the whole pound. It was just me and my 4 pound. I hop in the whip and I roll up. She sucking my dick, she my hoe now. I'm fucking a friend, she give me a threesome, and now that bitch calling me bro now. I woke up with 3 different bitches, and I swear I don't even know how.
It was no hook where I'm headed at. I dare you to try tell a felon that. You hit my line, we can settle that. If I don't answer my jack, then you dead on that. They know we're close with my level at. Walked in this bitch like what up with that cheddar at. Link with execs who don't know where no ghettos at. Where they get hit and bring no purple medals back. I taught him all that he know. She thought lil' bro was a rookie. Nah, these bitches out of they mind. Cause they think the dough worth the pussy. We went from trapping to politics, ratchets anonymous, traps be like colleges. We say we comin', we sliding, but y'all call y'all OGs to come talk us out of it. We was groomed, the block got us ready. I stood by the blender till I got a headache. First day I started, so rocks by the deli. Don't give them nothing, these stocks gotta beg me. She wanna ball of these bitches be thirsty, she's throwing it at me, she know that I'm up. I text her phone, her friends tell her good luck. She fucked the first night, that's gon' get her stood up. Every line quotable, my diamonds noticeable. They fuck with gang out in Tokyo. I'm taking photos with fans, trying to be sociable. I can whip grams till they floatable.
See me always playing the stove. I had my block in control. I put them bricks on the road, and I pray that we don't get put over. You better keep your mouth closed. See, real niggas never fold. You see me always playing the stove. I had my block in control. I put them bricks on the road, and I pray that we don't get put over. You better keep your mouth closed. See, real niggas never fold. See me always playing the stove. I had my block in control. I had my block in control. I had my block in control. When it all boils down and it's all said and done, they ain't fucking with me done. See, we came up on the corner, we hopped off the porch, nobody warned us. We just did what we want. Niggas dying left and right. You see bullets flying right on my revolver. It was either die or fight. Niggas wasn't living right. Lost my nigga in the firefight. I was fucking the bitch, that shit just fucked up my night. See my little nigga slipping, he just got caught up the light. Shit, he musta didn't have his pipe. When you playing in the streets, fuck a charge, man, you gotta keep your heat. They love to catch you sleep. Mortician cover you with a sheet. Now everybody saying rest in peace. First you had the recipe. Even though life is a beach, man, you could never think shit is sweet when you got some enemies. You see, we came up off the corner, we hopped off the porch, nobody warned us. We just did what we want. Niggas dying left and right. You see bullets flying right on my revolver. It was either die or fight. You see, we came up off that corner, we hopped off the porch, nobody warned us. We just did what we want. Niggas dying left and right. You see bullets flying right on my revolver. It was either die or fight. But niggas wasn't on the right. I did robbing niggas, moving militant, fucking bitches and whip smoking, counting Benjamins. Brought my 40 to church. You don't know the shit I'm in. Niggas been trying to get me for years. It's blood, sweat, and tears all on my shirt. Niggas wanna split my wig. That's why I just play the crib. Probation all on my dick. I could barely even take a swig. As much as they make me piss. Told them crackers to suck a dick. I'm just trying to take care of the kids, even though I don't got no kids. Make you wanna slit your wrist. Say fuck it, I'ma go and do my bit. Niggas already rich. You see, we came up off the corner, we hopped off the porch, nobody warned us. We just did what we want. Niggas dying left and right. You see bullets flying right on my revolver. It was either die or fight. You see we came up off that corner. We hopped off the porch, nobody warned us. We just did what we want. Niggas dying left and right. You see bullets flying right on my revolver. It was either die or fight. Niggas wasn't living right.
Think that we would make it off a reefer. Got a plug downtown and one way in Catalina. Showed my man the blueprint and made him a believer. And my plug look like he related to Selena. Your weed smell like shit and not a soul want it. My weed KRS-One, he got a nose on it. You speaking to the big eight, could turn you to a big plate. I got shooters from Cayuga to Mid-State, and got shooters in the street dumping out the Jeep Cherokee. If the nigga don't die, he gon' need therapy. I just bought a new 40, I grip it and hit him with it. When I'm done it click, click, like pictures on prison visits. Real dope boy, my whole town know. Part-time rapper, they still tryna steal my sound.
They say I'm a gift from God, but possessed by a dark energy. A dull blade can always be sharpened by smart enemies. 100 arms like large centipedes, dark tendencies. Every clip I got for the game is like Bob Meneries. Breaking down these plays in a vulgar fashion. You tryna box shit, you ain't gotta wait for no lull in action. I come relax 'em. Body drop, your focus is leaving, nigga. No one distract them, one attraction. Money and murder, that was my hunger passion. Now it's money deals with my Jewish lawyer. Champagne under my chandelier and my newest foyer. Look in the eyes of your closest friends and see who is for you. Now look in the eyes of them same friends and see who destroys you. Damn, get paid handsomely but actually ugly. Don't smile when you shaking my hand. Don't ever laugh when you hug me. I know the cut of your jib, don't gotta ask if you love me. This fit will crush up your ribs and blow up half of your scully.
Yo, the price of fame, I fill these mics with pain. Redefine the game, the art of war, don't need a knife or gun. When your mind's the blade, my life a maze. I come from a city full of crime and pain. A bunch of niggas playing dice with spades, twisted micro braids, top 5. And if these niggas sleep, they sleep inside a grave. A sniper's aim, trigger pull, a bullet land inside his brain. The paramedics searching for a post, but they can't find a vein. His family stressed, whisper silent pray, scream and cry his name. Look, they put a black person for sale, use churches and tell that the man we worship is pale. If you could read, that's why they murdered the males. Now it's ironic how these niggas catch a sentence for they learn how to spell. We sitting courtside, I don't watch the Lakers from a skybox. Road to riches, most niggas crash cause of blind spots. Pin game cold, invest my figures and I buy stock. My drip game cold, could squeeze a river from my eye drop, nigga.
This shit only for us.
Niggas don't know what none of this shit about.
You know who you is, nigga.
What I had to do for this
Yo,
shit, nigga.
they surprised I visit my block still. Gangsta shit, you know how I feel. I had you ducking hot shells. Said they rich, how can I tell? Try to put my homies on game, it felt like I failed. I'm trying to put us on the top shelf, nigga, and not jail. I'm the one they locked in that cell, still I did not tell. Came through feeling like L, the flow that rock bells. They don't gotta give us our credit, we proud of ourselves. My daughters won't grow up like me, we fathered ourselves. This the type of shit that I'm really on, forgive me for. Falling out with friends I got too busy for. Make me take the rollie off, put the Richard Millie on. This that respect you get when you put your city on, nigga. And I'm counting all the cash I could take. Y'all at the bank, I got $500,000 cash stashed out of state. This for my one dog that got a case. I Christmas shop for your kids, get you a Benz when you max out your date.
The amazing thing about snakes is that they reproduce spontaneously.
What do you mean?
They have both male and female sex organs. That's why somebody you don't trust, you call a snake. How can you trust a guy who can literally go fuck themselves?
Don't you think that expression would come from the Adam and Eve story? When the snake tempted Eve to bite the apple?
Hey, snakes were fucking themselves long before Adam and Eve showed up to you.
I'm trying to hang it up, but the streets calling. My man, he told the plug we need drugs, but he seesawing. I'm free falling. Keep it real brief when I draw. I call that free balling. You ain't got time to keep score if you gon' keep scoring. Older niggas thought I was Peter Barnes. I used to keep a half a brick inside of a VCR. Downstate, I made the biggest niggas just leave the yard. They wouldn't give me space so I can shine and be a star. Delete your bars. Can't pay the plug if you broke, dog. You'll never be a menace in these streets if you owe, dog. Hear me out, you can't pay attention at no cost. Just clear the house. That name that you mention is folklore. The coke raw, got it out the mud. Your cabinet is bare because you shouting out the Cubs. You jabbing at the air like Trey pouting by the hub. Watch who you love, because it'll never be a stranger to spill your blood, nigga.
Max Music.
Exotic denim, what the fuck you been sniffing? Saying that you dope but must got coke in your system. Staring at crystals through Cartier lenses. Breaking down chickens and Pyrex dishes. Flip cake like Biscuit. Tennis anklets for my mistress. Tokyo Drift Ferrari shift kit. Nitwits, you still selling coke, ain't ya? Fentanyl, a straw in the coat hanger. Footsteps of danger, fucking up the city. You ain't never had no work that could take a 60. Risk it, you grittin', keep one up in the chamber. Square turn killer, guess you citizen gangster. Innocent, trail of tears to tenements. Went from indigent to business, the color of cinnamon. My women friend wanna drape me in gold. 300K, duct taped on the road. Don't break off my nose when they make my monumental. Just dropped off a load out of Lincoln Continental. Think beyond your mental, creep up common gentle. Shatter your dreams, leave you leaking on your pillow. My life like a movie, you wouldn't understand though. My plug rolled up on the camel, rocking some Louis sandals. Hambo, have you ever heard of niggas that purge? Drug wars, we murderers.
Yo, Ant, we done survived real wars out here, man. R.I.P. to all my motherfucking enemies and they little brothers. We'll finish this shit in hell, man. Straight like that, but right now, I'm living harder, my business in order. I'm hated by many, but thankful from the love that I get from my daughter. It was harder, now we living smarter. Give us quarters, I'ma turn your living quarters to a brick and mortar. See, I started off pitching water in front of my aunt crib. Now the shit that I smoke is an engine starter. I ran shit you never been been in charge of. You never been a part of $1 million meetings with 2 business partners. We was kids, we had missing fathers. Now it's coops with missing roofs and facial recognition starters. Told mama I'ma make it out, and I made a route, selling cocaine right out my neighbor's house. My kitchen crowded, took the table out. Nowhere to sit, so many pounds on the floor, I could've made a couch. Ask around, all the gangsters vouch. On the low, they see me grow from shoe boxes to bank accounts. We make deposits and don't take it out, cause we don't need it. That's just in case money that we don't think about. Trust.
You hear me knocking, right? Let me in then, nigga. Let me talk my shit for a minute. Right. It's like the first 48 or something. I seen shit in my life, you niggas dream, now I live a dream. The G-Wagon is money green on the bigger things. I'm taking one for the team, gotta beat the scene. Shit ain't always what it seems, can't stop now. Weston Khan had it locked down, Butcher came through, now I'm about to lock a spot down. Feel like Kobe in his rookie year. I'm Jordan without the rings, young Ginobili with the curly hair. I am Mike in the first round, like Ali on the ropes, Emmitt Smith for the first down. Remember when I bought my first pound? Hanging out the whip, black 38, and blew my first rounds. At 16, I was a street nigga. I used to package nickel bags, then go and post in the street with them. These niggas wasn't in the streets with us, ain't never eat with us. See that we on, they try and beef with us. Nigga, face the facts, what kind of hate is that? Just know you send them little shots my way, we come and spray it back. Dead slug, probably break his back. Let's take it back, tie a fuck nigga up and hit him with the axe. Couldn't hold me like the old Shaq. Pump crack, low and 32 shots up in the old Mac. Not a gangster, he a old rat. Heard niggas speaking up on the body and went and told that. All the snitching got the game twisted, and they letting niggas live. They don't play it right, the game's different. Everybody wanna be the man. I seen an OG make it to 1,000 from a half gram. Started stacking, now we ball stats. Do it right, make a couple $100,000 off a small package. Living lavish, but we started average. AMG, head rest in the V, riding the S classes. Fresh pair, Cartier glasses. And get a little tragic, missing my mans, talking to his ashes. He been gone for some years now. Told him we here now, keep rolling blunts to slow the tears down. Still wishing I could see his face. He in a better place, gotta retaliate, just play it safe. Got a mask with the Joker face. I know a nigga caught 2-3 bodies with a broken 8. More ways, I was raised in it. I was cool with all the robbers and thieves, know all the grave diggers. Where I'm from, this how they made niggas. And you had to be a killer, a cop, or you a paid nigga. Pick a route and try to make it out, cause them niggas ain't your friends. For a price, they'll take you out. I ran the streets like a slave, nigga. Free my dogs behind the wall and rest in peace for ones who ain't with us. Ain't with us. For real.
My niggas solid, don't tell what we know about it. Don't go against the code, cause if you do, ain't no way around it. My dog gon' shoot the 30 out the Mac if you want a problem. All of my niggas mobbing, cause all of my niggas solid. Yeah, all of my niggas solid. never switch over dollars. I give you the shirt off of my back, cause you know I got it. He gon' shoot the 30 out the Mac if you want a problem. All of my niggas mobbing, cause all of my niggas solid.
When I was just in the hood, I couldn't even picture this. Now a nigga got a deal, everybody think I'm rich. Ain't no flaws in my image, niggas looking for a glitch. Ops talking bad on me, but I never send a diss. I just call the little homies, tell them go and send a clip. 30 like a sword on me, let it go, you niggas flinch. All he know is take a soul, in the hood they call him Grinch. Leave a nigga full of hoes, if he ever feel a fence. Riding, dodging potholes, in a hoopty with the tent. Remember lurking with the pole, need the money for the rent. Had my daughter in the womb, then they booked me for attempt, but the charges didn't stick. Got a lawyer, beat it quick. Your name on the affidavit, you rattled and made a statement. The school of hard knocks, I mastered and graduated. On my way to the top, the GPS gon' navigate it. Said I never leave the streets, but slowly I'm gravitating.
All of my niggas solid, don't tell them we know about it. Don't go against the code, cause if you do, ain't no way around it. My dog gon' shoot the 30 out the Mac if you want a problem. All of my niggas mobbing, cause all of my niggas solid. Yeah, all of my niggas solid, never switch over dollars. I give you the shirt off of my back, cause you know I got it. He gon' shoot the 30 out the Mac if you want a problem. All of my niggas mobbing, cause all of my niggas solid.
Butcher coming, nigga. Trust me. Yeah. You the type to change up on me soon as you get round company. Looking for attention, speaking on business publicly. Then suddenly, I post to forget it, like you fuck with me. When the knife you stabbed me in the back was still stuck in me, nah. Cause that'll only make us both fools. Yacht master, boat shoes. We bring up money and y'all get emotional. The next few years I'm about to coast through. I get it torn, I used to get it scoring. Like I came making post moves. The nigga they never say hesitated. My pedigree never waver and resume decorated. All my dead homies in ghettos of heaven waiting. Since I met the streets, we could never stay separated. What you know about two snitches on separate cases? Get a light sentence off your lawyer reputation. I spent days in my cell just meditating. Love powerful, so if you don't mean it, then never say it. Never say it, 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 never say it.
Trust me. Love don't listen anymore. Love just walked out the door. No more L-O-V-E. The ones I thought loved me changed on me. Love don't live here anymore. Love just walked out the door. No more L-O-V-E. The ones I thought loved me changed on me.
Look, I come from the Jungle Jacks, Broadway where my sisters and mothers slept. It got so cold at times it used to feel like the cover's wet. You lazy niggas gotta separate from the ones with checks 3 steps ahead. Beat them to the punch so my knuckles wet. My intuition took me on a journey to get the riches. Took a risk, you gotta test the waters to swim with fishes. Don't make love to that man if he ain't yours. Don't give him kisses, could never claim him. I wouldn't post that boy if that nigga's missing. My style is rugged. First mixtape, the whole town was buzzing. Always act off of logic, cause emotions could cloud your judgment. My need for figures, busy, it's hard for me to be with niggas. Real shit, I almost lost it all trying to please a nigga. Speak by what I'm living, only reach for what is given. A real leader put his people in position. Respect the only thing that can be earned. The power of knowledge, cause even teachers gotta learn.
Love don't listen anymore. Love just walked out the door. No more L-O-V-E.
The ones I thought loved me changed on me. La 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 la. Love don't live here anymore. Love just walked out the door. No more L.O.V. The ones I thought loved me changed on me.
Butcher coming, nigga. Put my crown on just so my day could start. Who gave him heart and brought it back to the streets? This wasn't vacant art. Sat in a can, well, that don't make you smart. You know the saying, how bullshit wear Vans when paper talk. Okay, you made your little songs and sold your little drugs. Don't let your Twitter buzz turn you to a little thug. Ask about me, nigga, my resume dipped in blood. You know with a past like mine, they be quick to judge. Pieces on my wrist, I put pieces on their hips. I was decent shit, my face was like a visa on them strips. It get deeper, I won't speak it, I got secrets I won't kick. Only in the book I wrote, I'm calling pieces of a brick. Get it later, I've been spending paper. Rap money took me across the country like a Winnebago. Before that, it was Yayo, money spread across the table. Made my first stack in the crib without no cable. Buff doing 15, he feel like God flamed him. My other cousin calling home, saying that time changed him. Watch where you walk, pussy, yeah, this side dangerous. From the blind side banging, yeah, you know this all angle. Dope boys hit me when they need a theme song. Whip it till it's white and yellow, look like cream corn. HK, SK, everything long. That's why I'm in these nightclubs with everything gone. The Butcher, nigga.
You know we hustle all night trying to make a way. You know the same shit, just a different day. Grind it all night till the morning come. I got it out the mud, you ain't the only one. You know we hustle all night trying to make a way. You know the same shit, just a different day. Grind it all night till the morning come. I got it out the mud, you ain't the only one.
Can make an extra 100 large if I break up the weight. The only thing I can't afford is to make a mistake. Crack game like the rap game, but ain't it safe? If we got the same plug, we like label mates. You know I'm heavy-handed when I paper chase. When I put cash on the table breaks. And I pump bass like 808s and put powder in the pot like tomato paste. And 'cause ain't nobody gave us plates. If a nigga don't like me, that's straight up hate. You boys go to sleep early and wake up late. Y'all remind me of bubble wrap, y'all just take up space. Wait, my first brick had great duct tape. It ain't a rumor, I made a lot of cake upstate. Used to wholesale bricks, now I break up, wait. They come after the breakup like a makeup date. Trust.
You know we hustle all night trying to make a way. You know the same shit, just a different day. Grind it all night till the morning come. I got it out the mud, you ain't the only one. You know we hustle all night trying to make a way. You know the same shit, just a different day. Grind it all night till the morning come. I got it out the mud, you ain't the only one.
beef, I got mad cows. Nigga, I'm a cash cow. It's bulletproofs and straps round. I swore I was rich the first time a nigga cashed out. I sold 100 bricks and you still struggling with that pack. How? Nigga, look, don't quit your day job. My Texas bitch head so good I call her face mom. I don't take no days off. This AMG looking like a motherfucking race car. Suck a dick pussy nigga, I hate y'all.
Okay, the money got me feeling like I'm 7'5". Every time I write a verse, feel like I'm selling pies. We put niggas in the hearses if you need a ride. Have you looking like you Tom Cruise in Vanilla Sky? The revolution gon' be televised. Every time you get on wax or on a camera, you start telling lies. Two Peasies, I call them Nina Sky. Cause they both go for the high, or I can break them down like 89. My nigga, you don't show a wavy sign. All these rappers doing nothing for the culture with these lazy lines. My young nigga love the baby 9. Woo. That's your ass, he catch you smoking like you baby Brown. The work was strong enough to take a 5. I'm stepping on it like Omega Psi. Anything to make a pie. My children understand it better when I say goodbye. I make sure I send them hundreds to my baby mom.
Fucking on the file, spent 9,000 in Saks Fifth. All I caught was black pants and black kicks. That you had to stunt like Jack Chan doing backflips. They don't get the cash till 808 in the casket. Nigga, we don't cash out the same. I'm brazy in the spot, my cash out the same. I might see Ogden go cash out the range. I might pop a perk trying to max out the pain. Nigga.